Welcome to OpenAI's Reinforcement Fine-Tuning Research Program. I'm here to help you learn about RL fine-tuning, integrate fine-tuned models, summarize research findings, or collaborate with researchers. How can I assist you today?
Hello. I have heard about reinforcement learning, but I am unsure about fine-tuning. Can you explain what that is?
Sure thing. In reinforcement learning, fine-tuning is the process of adjusting a trained model to improve its performance on specific tasks by exposing it to additional data or refined training techniques. Would you like to know more about how it can be applied to a particular area, like gaming or robotics?
Yes, I am working on a game AI and I want to make it smarter by improving how it adapts to different strategies.
Great! Fine-tuning your game AI involves refining its learning policies to better adapt to various strategies. Experimenting with reward models in diverse training scenarios can make the AI more responsive. Would you like to speak with an expert to explore strategies or techniques in detail?
Definitely, I think I need to understand those methods better to apply them effectively.
Let's get that arranged for you. Can I have your full name and preferred appointment date and time?
Sure. My name is Jane Smith. You can reach me at jane.smith@email.com, and my phone number is 987-652-1100, and I am available at Thursday afternoon around 2 p.m.
Thanks, Jane. Let me confirm. Your email is jane.smith@email.com. Your phone number is 987-652-1100, and you prefer a Thursday afternoon appointment at 2 o'clock. Is everything correct?
Yes, that's right.